Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to set up and connect Bluetooth headphones to your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app first, and then choose Bluetooth Audio from the menu on the left, and select the Add Device button on here, but you may want to read the information here first. It covers what you can and can't do with Bluetooth audio connected. After choosing Add Device, your Switch 2 will now start searching for Bluetooth devices, so you need to move your attention to your Bluetooth headphones or earphones. We need to get them into pairing mode. The method to do this can differ on each device. On some there will be a pair button, and other headphones will require you to hold down the power button for a long time. A light should start flashing indicating that it's pairing. Check online or in the product manual for your headphones pairing method if you're not sure. Once pairing, they should show up on the Switch 2 and you can select them from the list. They should now connect and you can choose OK. The headphones or earphones should work immediately, so turn up the volume to check. The Bluetooth audio page is where you can remove or disconnect the device if you needed to, which you can do by selecting your headphones here. Again, check the information on here as it shows the limits of using Bluetooth headphones. For example, any Bluetooth microphones won't work, and you can only use 2 wireless controllers. We can also check the audio settings to ensure they're set up correctly. So scroll down in the settings to the audio section and check each option on here. For example, you could choose to make your new headphones the default device by selecting them in the audio output source section. Or you can customize other sound settings such as surround sound. That's how to set up and connect Bluetooth headphones to your Nintendo Switch 2. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.